Abe, ekapay biktima kareng text at online scammers. Pakibalwala nung nanon dapat pangilagan higkapihan ng KBP Pampanga at National Telecommunications Commission ay ni-report ng Patricia Mamangon.
Penny Munanen ng kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas o KBP Pampanga Chapter at National Telecommunications Commission o NTC Region 3 ingkapihan usapang text scams at iba pa. Bang pisabyan lareng takbang laban king pamangalat ning text at online scams. Tinagon king forum dina Engineer Wilson Lejarde, OIC Regional Director ning NTC Region 3, kayabe Attorney John Ryan Sekit, Police Colonel Artemio Recabo ning Regional Anti-Cybercrime Unit 3, Attorney Kenneth Regañon ning Smart Communications at John Merced ning Globe Telecom. Bida king diskusyon ning pamagpatupad ning Anti-Financial Account Scamming Act o Republic Act 12010. Suwestyon ng Police Colonel Recabo kareng telco na obligan lareng GCash Center na mag-request ID ustong ating cash out transaction bang asigurado na elas ang kutreti king scam.
Suggest ko sana sa telco kung may ganyan kayo. Let those GCash Center na mag-record ng mga nagkakasaot sa kanila with their IDP. Unlike Employee Hillier, Palawan, punta ka ng Palawan, di ba? Hingi ka ng ID.
Pepasyag na namang Merced reng anti-scam education programs ng Globe, kalupa ng digital thumbprint program para kareng eskwela at senior DigiSend program para kareng mga tuwa.
We have digital thumbprint program that caters to parents, teachers, and students. So talagang pinupuntahan po talaga namin ng mga schools. We talk about how scam works, ano yung different kinds of fraud, and ano yung pwede nilang iwasan. Meron po kaming 32 stackable modules.
Samantala, atin mo namang huli scam portaling smart nung rin malyaring mag-report online kareng phishing at spoofing scam agpangkang Attorney Regaño.
Case of smishing scams. They can go to our Huli Scam portal. Sa smart website po, meron po doon Huli Scam. They can just click on it and fill up few details, and then we will do the necessary action po, whether the activation po nung number or yung link na attached to the message.
Dinikdik ning NTC na ing maulagang edukasyon king publiko, ing mani munang paralan bang ayag wanta o alabanan lareng scam. Malyari ring magsampang reklamo online king www.ntc.gov.ph bang na kailangang munta king opisina.
Possible na magko-complain, they can visit our website. So on the website kasi they can file a complaint. Nandun na po the procedure. They don't need to visit our office. No? So it will lead you, tuturuan ka po niya kung ano dapat mong i-encode if you file a complaint. So nandun na po. Just visit our website ntc.gov.ph.
Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para King News Force Pampanga. Balitang totoo, King Balen, susuyo.